This is the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. Turn fire into electricity with Camp Stove 2 Plus. BioLite's award-winning wood stove. Patented thermoelectric combustion technology creates a vortex of smokeless flames. For a portable campfire that can cook your meals and charge your gear, all at the same time. Featuring an updated 100-lumen flex light. With chromario LED technology, cook with confidence at night thanks to accurate color rendering. Leave the gas canisters behind and unlock the potential of the sticks and twigs around you. Burn wood including found sticks. Or BioLite biofuel pellets without the smoke. Updated 3200 mAh internal battery charges devices with or without a live fire. USB charge out creates up to 3 on-demand electricity from fire. Onboard storage for up to 1 full phone charge. Furax fan speed settings circulate air for improved combustion. Lightweight aluminum legs fold up and away for nested portability. This is Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool, a perfect fit for any adventure. The Signal combines 19 useful tools into a compact 4.5-inch size. This multi-tool readies you for the unexpected with its fire-starting ferro rod, for 2OHC combo blade, and emergency whistle. Tighten gear with the customizable bit driver, and anchor your tent stakes with the built-in hammer. Gear up and go further with the Leatherman Signal. DLC coating on stainless steel and black. Cherokee for coyote tan, aqua, crimson, gray, and cobalt colors, nylon sheath included. The all-locking design enables the user to operate individual tools safely and effectively by locking them into place when fully open. The user can put pressure on the implement while safely completing the job before manually unlocking the tool to stow it away. This is the LifeGear 130-piece waterproof dry bag. This 130-piece first aid plus survival kit has essential items to keep you safe and prepared in case of an emergency. Waterproof first aid plus survival kit, 130 pieces, durable dry bag. Packed with FDA-certified medical supplies and survival tools for emergency situations. Keep in your car, trunk, or boat for emergencies. Crafted from durable waterproof fabric, lightweight, compact and yet still holds everything you need for life's unexpected events. Great emergency kit for daily use, adventures, and emergency preparedness, manufactured in a modern, sterile, FDA-registered facility and sold by an FDA-registered company. This is the 3-Coil Puna 6-in-1 Multi-Tool PU. T3-Coil Puna is a K-Cane multi-tool for the gun enthusiast. Similar to the AR-15 platform, the tool goes together by combining the upper and lower receivers. The upper includes a replaceable No. 11 scalpel blade and a wrench for working on the Puna. The lower includes a bottle cap lifter and exchangeable screwdriver bits. All of this put together looks just like your favorite rifle. The Puna, tiny in size but big in features, is a multi-tool in disguise. It is perfect for cutting, twisting, prying, unscrewing, or just fidgeting with. Press the safety button to remove the blade. Twist out the silencer to remove the micro hex tool. Remove the magazines to reveal the micro flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. This is the 18-in-1 multi-tool shovel. This ultra-versatile 18-inch-1 multi-tool shovel is an outdoorsman's best friend. Dubbed the world's most capable adventure tool, this rugged and handy-dandy tool comes equipped with everything from a shovel and an axe to a pick and screwdriver. It's crafted from high-carbon steel and provides you with a range of useful tools ranging from a fire starter to a rescue knife and a saw, forged from heat-treated solid carbon steel. This nearly indestructible tool can be used for tasks like digging, chopping, peeling, cutting, and sawing, and you can easily buy because this is available on Amazon.